and Happy New Year. This is Lily from Niu Woman coming to you today to share with you a new recipe that I've come across. If you don't like being in the kitchen and you don't like baking, I have a very simple recipe to share with you that'll only take you 5 minutes, and that's making scones. So firstly, what you'll need is to turn your oven on to 220 to heat it up before you even start prepping. So here we go. You need a kilo of self-raising flour. You need a 600 ml carton of fresh cream. And you've got sultanas here. You can just put in as much as you want with the sultanas. You can even go crazy with it. And we have also a can of, look, you can pick any kind of can you want as your flavor. But at the moment, here I have a pineapple. I have a can of pineapple. And so for those who want something else, like you don't have to have an egg in it, but I choose to have an egg in it as well. So here we go. We're going to start with just putting the flour, the bag of flour in the bowl. Here we go as well. So we're going to open this up and get some cream into it. So all the wet ingredients should go in for a little while. Pour that cream in there. Here we are. Okay, and you've got your can of pineapple. Gives you a nice flavour. You don't have to have the pineapple. You can have actually lemonade, preferably a lemonade. And here we go. We put in the lemonade. Whoop, it's all coming out there. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? And you just pour in your salt. Add in all that. Here we go. Put it all in. Just give it a stir. Just a slight stir. Break an egg. And stir that egg in. And if you don't believe that you can do this in 5 minutes, I hope you set your timer up for 5 minutes, because this is the most easiest recipe I have ever come across. And like I said, for me, I don't like being in the kitchen. I'm not a person who likes to be in the kitchen, or baking. But I just wanted to share with you something very, very simple as baking scones, that sometimes people might think it's hard, but it's actually not. Okay, if you find that your mix is a bit too dry, you just add in a bit more, because I haven't actually put in all the cream, and just put in a bit more cream and just a little bit more of the lemonade. Here we go. So stir that in, stir that in. Look at that mixture. Oh, this is going to come out really lovely. This is going to be lovely. Okay. And then after you've done that, how are we going for time? So 5 minutes. Remember, this recipe is only 5 minutes prep, and then in on this bench here. And if you have a board, you prefer to put it on a board, well, this bench is nice and clean. So here we go. We just put all that mix. Let's get our fork. Put all that mix down, and just what you do is just knead it down a little. You know, just here we go. Just slightly, just knead it down here, and I'm just going to grab a knife. That's all you need to do with scones. As I've known, you don't need to knead it too much. Okay, that's what I found. And so this is how I would do it. So put it on your tray and flatten it down like so. And with your tray, you should have already had added a bit of butter and some flour just to keep it so it won't stick. So it won't stick onto the board, okay? This is the easiest recipe that I've ever found. And so this is basically what you do. So you're just cutting up your scones to the size you would like it. Okay, so turn it around this way. And you don't want to go too deep because you'll get it onto the tray, so you just slightly, so it's easier when you take it out. You just have to break it, and there we are. Right, here we are. Here's with the scones that we are now going to put in the oven. Here we are, and that, if you had timed that was 5 minutes. Okay, so we don't want it in there too long. We want it in there for at least 15 minutes. So that is the easiest way that I have found to make scones. So this is Lily from Niu Woman. Give it 15 minutes and we'll come back to you with that. And Happy New Year again. Here we go. We're just taking the scones that took us 15 minutes to prepare. And here it is, right here. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that lovely? It looks delicious. It smells lovely and smells delicious. And it's perfect. So this is for you, the new woman who wants to do something different in the kitchen that's so simple as baking scones. And also there's another tip that I would like to share with you. It's just grabbing some, just scoop up a bit of butter with your hand like this. This is what I do, just to make it. So just dab that on. It's just to kind of keep it soft. Because, you know, once it comes out of the oven, it's pretty, yeah, it is done. So I'm going to just pick one up for you and show you right now. Oh, isn't that just perfect? That's perfect. Beautiful. Delicious. The other half, it's the same way you prep it up again. Same way to cut it. Just lightly do that. And cut it up. And again, it doesn't take too long, does it? Pop it in the oven. And make sure the oven is on to the same. Keep the heat as is. So there you are. It's coming to you today from Niu Woman. Look at these delicious scones that you can enjoy. So here we go again. They're actually delicious. Try it. Recommended to try it for the new year. Something new? Try making scones in 5 minutes. This is Lily coming to you from Niu Woman. Have a happy new year.